Hi everyone, welcome to ACSP English program. I am Ravin Govitwanit from Secondary 3/8, your EP News reporter for today. ACSP held a P1 Open House 2022. Explore a new horizon for future education. Parents and visitors were welcomed by primary students. Special stage performance. Brother consultant, Master Thongban Thamyotha, together with the head of MLP Academics, Ms. Lunglat Kamunsiri Pasir, and the head of English program, Ms. Jilaphon Chitham, presented the important matter Primary 1 parents need to know, and what the school can offer for aspiring and incoming Primary 1 student academic year 2023. Also, English program prepare for special booths so that the children can have some fun while learning about different interesting things in EP like language garden for English and Chinese, Scimatage for science and mathematics, job builder and leader for leadership skills, and education for the future for the curriculum path and EP learner can explore. There were also special stage presentation and a little speech prepared by Primary 1 to 6 students. EP would like to thank all the teachers and students for preparing special performance, and would like to take this opportunity to thank all the parents and visitors for taking part in this wonderful event. We are looking forward to welcoming you next academic year. I am Ravin Govitwanit from Secondary 3/8. Please click like, subscribe, and share. We love EP Facebook page and ACSP English program YouTube channel. Bye bye.